Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NotebookLM makes it much easier to turn research, notes, reports, and study materials into presentation-ready content. Once you have created the slide deck inside NotebookLM, you can export it and continue editing it in PowerPoint. So this is especially useful for students, teachers, researchers, and professionals who need presentations without spending hours building slides from scratch. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to export slides to PowerPoints in NotebookLM in 2026. So first thing, create or open a notebook. Okay, so start by opening NotebookLM, create a new notebook or use an existing one containing research papers, study notes, reports, article, meeting notes, project documentation. So better source material produces better slides. Okay, you can also upload and organize sources, like add all relevant documents before creating slides. So good source organization helps NotebookLM identify main topics, supporting information, key findings, important conclusions. So organized sources improve presentation quality. You can also generate a slide deck, like use NotebookLM slide generation capabilities to create a presentation outline. So typical slides include title slide, introduction, main sections, key findings, recommendations, conclusion. So NotebookLM automatically structures content into presentation friendly sections. So a strong outline creates stronger presentations. Okay, so you can also review the generated slides. So before exporting, review each slide carefully, check for accuracy, missing information, reputation, logical flow, make adjustments if necessary. So reviewing before export reduces editing later. Okay, so this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.